Hey everyone, welcome back. Lately, I've been seeing a lot of buzz online about a trick in Domino Dreams that supposedly lets you get unlimited stars and coins using just your phone. No computer, no complicated steps, just something quick and mobile. I'll admit, I was a bit skeptical at first. Domino Dreams is all about strategy and careful moves, so unlimited resources sounded a little too easy. But instead of ignoring it, I decided to give it a try myself. In this video, I'll walk you through exactly what I did step by step, and then we'll jump back into Domino Dreams to see the final result together. The first thing you need is your user ID. You can usually find it in your profile or somewhere in the settings. It only took me a minute to find mine. I copied it and kept it saved for later. This step is simple and doesn't take much time. Next, I opened a browser on my phone. I'm using Chrome, but any browser will work. Then, I searched for the website people were mentioning. When the page loaded, there were no pop-ups or strange redirects. The site looked clean and normal, which I honestly didn't expect. Once I got onto the site, I used the search bar to pull up the Domino Dreams option everyone's been mentioning. The page was simple and easy to follow, so nothing felt confusing. I chose my device, Android for me, but iOS was there too, then entered my player ID and took a moment to make sure everything was correct. After that, I tapped Continue and moved on smoothly to the next step. Then, it asked how many resources I wanted. Just to test it properly, I selected the highest amount. After confirming, a few progress bars appeared showing different steps being completed. Everything was clearly explained and easy to understand. Before it finished, there was a quick verification step. The instructions were clear so it wasn't confusing. I already completed that earlier, so let's skip straight to the results. I jumped back into Domino Dreams and checked my stars and coins. And just like that, the extra resources were already in my account. No restarting the game, no waiting around. Everything updated instantly, like setting up the perfect domino chain and watching it fall perfectly. Honestly, I didn't expect it to appear that fast, which really surprised me. Based on my test, the method worked exactly as described. The steps were easy, the site worked well on mobile, and the whole process was simple as long as you follow everything carefully. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more honest tests and reviews. And if you've already tried this yourself, leave a comment and let me know how it went. I read all of them. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.